Oh, hello, hello. Today is March 1st, 2024, and here are the birds, swallow birds, ready, I think, again for eating the mosquitoes. They are very, very good birds because they're eating lots of mosquitoes and flies and bugs. This means don't touch them, please. Yeah, very, very nice. In Europe, we like them especially, but I think people like here too, and they're not touching them. Yeah, now it's around 3:30 the afternoons, and they started coming together again. I think so they are already hungry for some mosquitoes and flies before they go to sleep. And they will start flying very soon. I think so they are just socializing right now. Let's see what will happen. Anyway, just wanted to chime in, like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.